morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. My JA, of course. How are you guys doing? Of course, it's been a hot minute, but I decided I'm going to vlog today. I'm off from work today. It's the weekend, and I have my weekend off to spend with the fam bam, which is a blessing. When I get my weekends off, never take them for granted. Say good morning, fam bam.
Morning, people.
Who's first? Who's gone first?
Hello.
Say good morning. Wagwan.
Hello.
Say wagwan.
Wagwan.
Good girl. Tell us say wagwan. There we go, good boy. Sorry, you're so pretty in your pink, girl.
Oh, she still have her choo-choo?
Yeah, she still have her tutu. Listen, you guys, when I tell you I have a girly girl, I have a girly girl, and I'm loving every minute of it. If it's not pink, she's not a fan of it, and if it's not dress, she doesn't want it. And I enjoy buying the pinks, and I enjoy buying the dresses, and I enjoy dressing and dolling her up. I'm loving it. Anyway, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Really, tell me down in the comment section, how are you guys been? How are you guys been missing us? We've been missing you, especially me. I've been missing vlogging. I've missing the daily routines of vlogging, but you guys know that work now take over my life, and that's kind of priority number one right now. And the work has been going amazing. Work has been going good. Happy to report that. Work has been a dream. I've been living in my purpose, and I'm enjoying every bit of what I do. Yeah, so work is going good. I'm still doing driving classes. You guys know that I had embarked on my journey to get my driver's license. So still doing classes. Of course, when I get my license, I'll be sure to share with you guys. The other day I posted a photo of my driving car on my Instagram, and everybody was like, yeah, Mel, take on the road, a time for you. Guys, calm down. I didn't get the licenses yet, and everybody was sending me congratulations. I'm like, it just shows me how much you guys care and is excited for me to get my license. I'm just as excited, and I'll be sharing the news with you guys when I get it. So we are heading to the supermarket to do some shopping. It's that time of year where it's a little bit chilly here. Temperatures have changed, though the sun is still out and it's feeling so good in knees. I know some of you already start getting snow. Some of you fingers and toes and nose are freezing, but we will not reach that point until December. So we are still enjoying the beauty of just being in a woody, and that's enough. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, whatever it is that we have to show you guys. Catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you throughout the rest of the vlog. Say hello again, guys.
Hi.
We are back from the supermarket. Yes. You're not seeing, but they're seeing you. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Look. Voila. That's better. Yeah, they're seeing you. That's okay. Lift up your hand and they'll see. Say hi, Faves. Go like, you see, they're seeing you now. All right, let's go. Show Faves what we got. What's this?
Peach.
Peach for
Tyler.
Tyler. Bushwa.
I'm going to
Tyler,
put all of
do
this
this
peach
bag.
at the same
No,
time.
don't do that.
Peach.
Let's go, guys. Faster than that. What's this? Toothpaste for Sarah and Tyler. They love their specific toothpaste. Sarah loved the pink one, of course, and Tyler loved the green one. The green is bubblegum flavor. You love your toothpaste, Sarah? We got some Ziploc bags because Mama have to carry lunch too.
I don't even know what it
And
named.
dinner. Cereal bar.
Kiwi.
It's kiwi.
Yeah, can I?
Can you what? Hold on, the battery's about to die. I have to change it. Okay, we're back. Let's go again. Continue. Detox tea. And we found soap on sale, so we bought a few of these. It's not the flavor that we normally use. It's not the fragrance that we normally use. But it smells good. I love when I wash the clothes, the soap still smell. What?
We take
Sorry, that's okay. I'm here
free soap, free bottle of soap, because if we buy two, the third one was
free.
Yes.
Half price. And we got Leno on sale. This is the fragrance that you put in.
Where you move? No, go back where you are. In front of the camera, you eat me. You hurt me. You're smart. Somebody call the police.
That hurt. Okay, Finny. Go back up. We're just playing, guys.
Oh, we're not playing. She really hurt me. Attacking you, defending.
Okay, I'm finished with Papa now. I'm finished.
Yeah,
You can't stop now. You can't stop.
I have an army.
Alright. This is for Tyler for sure, because Tyler alone will eat this off with his crepe. Nutella on sale.
What is this name? Popcorn. Popcorn.
Pineapple juice. Sarah and I love this pineapple juice. Pancake syrup. We love have pancake on a Sunday.
What is that you got?
Time.
No, this is not time.
What is it?
This is written tree.
You guys, you see, he never changes. It doesn't matter how long you guys don't see him. He never changes. Consistency is key. And he gives you that. Zucchini. And let me tell you. I'll forever be your once a married prince, man. I promise you guys. I love buying this chicken already cooked at the supermarket. It have a specific taste and we just love it. It's called poulet à la provençale. I think it's the seasoning and the way that they cook it is just nice. It's like a rotisserie, but the flavor that it have is just so good. And I like to be prepared for lunch and dinner because I know work, I don't really have much time. So when I want to be on the go, I grab a piece. I'm gonna put my vegetables. I know cook in bulk, so when I cook one time for the week, I don't cook again until the end of the week. Anyway, pumpkin. Guys, your bun finished?
Yes.
Do this one. No, do this one.
We have Italian pizza. They're just trying to make you think like it's Italian. They're writing in Italian. They make an Italian flag, but I'm sure it's made not in Italy.
Carrot.
Orange juice.
Good job. And it's this time of the year that I love because it's tangerine season. Mandarin, if that's what you call it, is the little version. And I love it. Everybody in this house will love a good mandarin. Sweet peppers.
Advent calendar for Sarah.
They're ready for Christmas.
Advent calendar PSG for Tyler. Mama.
Yes.
Somebody buy for me.
Potato.
Papa have a PSG face.
Guys, let's go.
Behind the PSG,
Oil.
is a sad face.
And I love eating lonti. Lonti is like it's a little bit like gungu for us in Jamaica, but it's just imagine a smaller version of gungu. And then we have onion. Can't cook without onion because one light is missing from here, so I got one more light. And if I see more, I'm gonna get it as the time goes by because I want to decorate.
You don't have no
The
villagers.
best. Oh, this is for the toilet. That's what is written. All for the toilet. Okay.
Mama. You pretend Budapest.
Yeah, all the toilet. C'est l'eau pour les toilettes. Is written.
Egg.
So this is written cleaning too, but this is not for the toilet.
And I love keep these in my fridge. These are meal replacement juice. They taste similar to Suppergen. I just love them. They're so good.
Kosho, kosho.
Coconut water with a twist.
Everything.
And
And this is other cuckoo.
Chicken breast. Why chicken breast have to be so expensive? Jaja.
Honey.
Because breast is the best. No?
I don't know.
Breast is the best. That's
You,
why it's
you should know. Yogurt. Chocolate milk for the daughter. And moving right along, what we have. We have salmon. We love a good salmon in this house. More yogurt. More yogurt. Yogurt for the kids. The kids love the liquid yogurt these days. They've been obsessed with it. So we've been buying that a lot. Bacon to go with pancake for breakfast. That's a must on a Sunday. Sausage for the babies. More yogurt for the fam bam. More yogurt for the fam bam. And now, Tyler, let's kick Papa butt in rock, paper, scissors. Here we go. Let's go. Come on. Rock. Sarah, who's gonna win? Tyler is gonna win. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two
It
Tyler.
changed at the end.
Come on,
It changed at the end. It
No.
shook me.
Move.
It did that.
Lie. Hey, come.
He's a
You go, Tyler, I'm gonna kick your butt. Come.
He's a
Stop
cheap
complaining.
star.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot. Two, Papa. Anybody win this win? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, Ty! Yes,
I did like that. It tricked me one time. It tricked
You
me one
lose.
time.
You lose. Okay, good job, Tyler. Bravo.
Tell her your brother is
you
a
versus
trick
me.
star.
I must play versus you?
Yes.
Oh my
And
god.
after you versus
No. I'll play versus the winner. I should have played versus the loser though. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Oh my god, I can't tell this boy. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two mama. Ha! Ha! Anybody win this win? Come on, Mel. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, yeah.
Tyler win. Tyler win.
Yeah.
Tyler win, Papa. Because you said Tyler was gonna win, so Tyler win for you, huh? Anyway, you guys, I have a lot to pack up. You guys, I didn't even get to show you guys that I already decorated for Christmas. Let me show you, because you guys haven't seen us in a while. Yes, Sarah, yes. So, of course, I have my little village as usual. I'll show you guys later on when the lights are on how it looks. And I put this up this year. That's up there. And I have another little village over here with all these little things. I love them. Sarah, stop please. With these. Stop please and give these to me. They're not toys. I have this one this year. I'll show you guys a better look later when the light is on. And then the Christmas tree is still raining after 9 years.
I found the kitty head.
You found a kitty head. You're gonna put it on? Let me help you?
No.
Okay. Okay, you guys, so this is the decoration. When the lights are on, I promised that I would show you. So there we go. You wanna turn off the light?
Yes.
Go Go turn off the light so they see it better. And action.
1, 2, 3.
Babe, tie.
3, 2, 1, go.
Lights. Tree. Villagers. Call me cray cray. This one's strong. And then we have up here and here that you guys saw earlier. And then we have here. Yes, Sarah? Where you two think you're going? Where you two think you're going? Hey, where you two dress up going? Ah, let me see. Hey. The boys are heading out, leaving the girls. Where are they going, Sarah? She's not happy. Where Tai going?
To football.
Yeah, Tai going to watch football at the stadium. Have fun. Cheer on Mbappe. Tell him I said hi. And of course, he's wearing his Mbappe shirt.
Mama,
Heading out.
water.
You want water?
Yeah.
Okay, have fun, Tyler. Have fun, Papa. And we'll be sleeping when you guys come back at midnight.
Chers supporters, je vous remercie bien sûr de bien vouloir rester debout pour respecter les hymnes nationaux. On va commencer par l'hymne national de Gibraltar. Just from the national anthems, we start with the national.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.